First, the latest on the impeachment showdown. The House set to vote now in the next half hour to send 2 articles of impeachment against President Trump to the Senate. And good afternoon. I'm David Navarro.
I'm Shirley Nalicut. A short time ago, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi named the lawmakers who will argue the House Democrats' case on the Senate floor. And
she noted what she calls new incriminating evidence against the president that was just obtained from an indicted associate of Rudy Giuliani. Eyewitness News reporter NJ Burkett live in our newsroom with the very latest. NJ.
And right, Dave, Speaker Nancy Pelosi announced her prosecution team just under 2 hours ago. Among them, 2 New Yorkers, 2 African Americans, and 3 women. In the coming days and weeks, those 7 House Democrats will attempt to make the case for removing the President of the United States from office.
Good morning, everyone.
Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi stood with her prosecution team and issued a challenge to her colleagues in the Senate.
What is at stake here is the Constitution of the United States. This is what an impeachment is about.
The articles of impeachment will be formally delivered in a matter of hours, accusing President Trump of using military aid for Ukraine as leverage to force that nation's president to investigate Democratic presidential frontrunner Joe Biden and Biden's son. The president is also accused of attempting to obstruct the congressional investigation. This morning, the president once again ridiculed the proceedings on Twitter. "Here we go again, another con job by the do-nothing Democrats," he wrote. All of this work was supposed to be done by the House, not the Senate. The president and his Republican supporters have been fighting Democratic calls for witness testimony and the presentation of evidence.
House Democrats may have descended into pure factionalism, but the United States Senate must not.
The House prosecution team is notable for its diversity in gender, geography, and ethnicity. Among them, 2 New Yorkers.
A fair trial does include the presentation of documents and the presentation of witnesses. We certainly hope that is what will take place.
The Senate is on trial as well as the president. Does the Senate conduct the trial according to the Constitution to vindicate the Republic? Or does the Senate participate in the president's crimes by covering them up?
Well, it is still not clear what evidence and what witnesses, if any, will be presented in the trial. Although most Republicans seem to be opposed to it, a small number of defectors could change things.